You have to be the Mad Hatter.
Why? Why do I always have to be the Mad Hatter? Why can't you be the Mad Hatter for once? Oh, all right. I'll be the Mad Hatter again.
You like hats? I'm mad about hats.
Now, a hat is a wonderful thing, you see. Everyone's got its own personality. You just slip it on, and instantly you can be anybody that you want to be. You like hats? I'm mad about hats. Now, say I want to be like WC. I just slip this on, and magically there's something strange comes over me. Anything for you, my little chickadee. You like hats? I'm mad about hats. Now, some of these hats aren't mad at all. Some are quite reserved. Some are quiet and small.
Some are more daring. They laugh at fate. It's a matter of taste, but it must be great.
You like hats? I'm mad about hats. Now, it's amazing how a hat can change your style.
You can go high fashion.
You know I'm wild.
You can try on hats from all over the world. I got hats for boys, hats for girls.
I got hats for the waking man.
Hats for boys.
Hats for the winter end.
That's for your son.
Hats for the hunter end.
Hats for the game.
That's for the little girl who lives down the lane.
Oh!
You like hats? I'm mad about hats. You wouldn't know where the princess is, would you?
We thought you'd know where the princess is.